Hi, my name is Charlotte Skiles. I'm a nutrition consultant and clinical herbalist with Eat in Peace Wellness Consulting located in Austin, Texas. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to make an all-natural liver cleanse. And what I'm going to share with you is a particular tea that I like, quite frankly, sharing with people. The ingredients are relatively easy to find and the tea is pretty easy to make. And what's going to happen with this tea is that not only will you be facilitating a really good liver support, but you're going to address the entire digestive process, because that's really what we're after, is how to improve digestion, how to help the liver do its job. So the particular ingredients that you can gather for this tea is dandelion root, burdock root, licorice root, fennel seed, chamomile flower, and peppermint leaf. Okay, you're going to get those ingredients. I recommend buying them in bulk for the most affordable way to do this. Two good companies to get these herbs from is Pacific Botanicals and Mountain Rose. I prefer Pacific Botanicals more than Mountain Rose. Another one would be Oregon's Wild Harvest. All of these are available online. Some are available in stores, but those are the best quality plant materials that I can point you in the direction of. Now, when you get these plants gathered, you'll just put a handful of each one of them, just a handful. And this is a great way to do it. What's in a handful? Well, if you're making the tea for yourself, you're going to get a really good dose because your hand matches the size of your body. So if you have a big hand, great, you're going to need more herb. If you have a small hand and a small body, you need less herb. So it's not an exact science. All of these are very safe herbal remedies, very food-like and very supportive for the body. So you're not going to screw up the amount. Put a handful of each into a pot, okay, of maybe a quart of water. Cover it, bring it to a boil, and then turn down the heat to low and simmer it for about 20 minutes. Take it off the heat, let it cool off a little bit, and then you strain it through a strainer into a glass mason jar. And you will dilute it if you want to, however, whatever taste you like. And you'll drink that throughout the day. And it is a lovely beverage with dandelion root and burdock root in particular are very supportive for the liver. And then you have chamomile and fennel, which is great for digestion and the nervous system, along with licorice root, which really nourishes the body's ability to deal with stress on a daily basis. So it's a lovely tea. I highly recommend it for anybody and everybody, and that would be how I would recommend doing a liver cleanse in your home.